Hello, assalamu alaikum. You want to build your own AI support agent on Telegram using N8N and ChatGPT that can reply your customer instantly 24-hour, day or night, that you can build without coding knowledge just in few steps. N8N, a popular, powerful AI automation setup system, and it's open source, so we can use self-hosting or cloud hosting. Let's start. I want to use a temporary mail just for showing you. Okay, name bro. Okay. Bot. Okay, start free trial because we are using now cloud hosting. They're asking some question. Just submit and skip. Okay, now we need to create a Telegram bot. So go Telegram and search BotFather. Okay, search BotFather. This is official. Okay, this can use for create any bot or support system. Okay, just start. And now write new bot. Name for bot, bro, Kotar bot, bro. Bro. Okay, bot is created successful. We need this token. Okay, now create automation system. Okay, just create outflow. Here this is can drag and drop. First we need Webhook, and this is send post request, and here path will be Telegram bot. Okay, this is done. We need AI agent. Okay, that will set later. First we need the save. And okay, this can add later, just active. And listen for test event. Okay, now here making request, we need send request, just copy the URL, and here we need copy this token and paste here. And now here you can see method name, so method set webhook URL. Okay, now we need this URL. There now listening, then we can set a request, send a request. Okay, webhook was set. Okay, the request is sent. Hello. Yes, you can see first I send bot command. Okay, this is done. Now you can see this is done. here showing a green type signal. Now we need add AI agent. Okay, this AI agent prompt user message. So we need find here user message. User message, message ID, message form ID, first name, language, not chart. Okay, this is message user. Okay, first you need select expression, then will be add here a code. You don't need to write code manually. This is green signal and start. This is showing good result. Okay, this will be user message. So our message was start, first message was okay. Okay, start hub. Okay, the start model we need connected. So here have some model, OpenAI start model we can use. And first time they offer free OpenAI credit, claim the offer. And here select if you want to use your own API key, just here pass your OpenAI API key and save and connect. Then you will get good experience. I use free. Okay, this is selected. Okay, this is start model. Okay. Okay, this is done. Now we can use a memory. Here we can set up MongoDB, chat memory, and Postgres and other memory system. Memory mean database brain. There will be save your data. Then AI agent can process the data and can replay about your website related or product related data. If someone support center asks this product available or not, AI agent will check data from your database. The product is available or not. If and they can reply. But for now we just use a simple memory. Okay, just add this memory and okay. Okay, will be chart ID. Okay, and now we need to select Telegram and send a text message. Here need pass the access token. This is access token. Pass here and save. Okay, message, send message, chart ID. Okay, the message is got and execute. Okay, this is execute and this go here, open a start model and simple memory store your data or data. Hello. Okay, now this you can see the green signal is successful. It's come here. Now we need chart ID. So this is chart ID. Click here expression and the ID. Just copy the. This is chart ID. You can see the ID showing here. And text message. What we want to replay. So replay message will come from AI agent. So just copy and this. Hello, how can I assist you today? And okay. Now execute. Okay, this is execute and we get a message. And here I think here you can see this message was sent automatically with N8N. I use free, so they're showing their watermark. If you use paid like your own API key and paid, then it will be not showing. And now send hello. Okay, so we need to just save this and active this. Okay, hello. Okay, here I think we need to use production URL, so that will work good. So here URL, here also Webhook test mode. Now this is production URL. Webhook was set. Okay, now this is set. Just active this, and okay, you can see message is now coming. Okay, yes, you can see here reply, but you can see here this working like ChatGPT, but you want a AI agent that work for your customer support for a specific business. So for a specific business, you need set up. This is just simple memory. You need set up here MongoDB database or other database. There will, or you can use Google Sheet. There will be your website data like product and other data. Then AI agent can access the data and decide and reply directly. Telegram. Here, okay, we can add a system message. So like AI agent for okay, what is it? You are a helpful uh, support for YouTube. Okay, save. YouTube question issue you have. What can I assist today?